Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azhar bin Ahmad. Today I want to present uh, about seminar in international business, uni research. Okay, the topic that I choose is Preparedness for ASEAN Economic Community (AEC), a case study of Malaysian SME manufacturing sector. Okay, what is ASEAN Economic Community? Short form AEC. Okay, in ASEAN Economic Community, uh, the country is Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Philippines, Cambodia, Brunei, and Indonesia. These countries are 10 members in Association of Southeast Asian Nation, or well known as ASEAN. The three pillars of ASEAN society, namely ASEAN Political Security Community, AP, APSC, ASEAN Socio-Cultural Community (ASCC), and AEC are the most important areas considered necessary for progress and evolution ASEAN and its people. Okay, moving on. Okay, AEC initiative offers opportunities in the form of a single market and a production base of US 2.6 trillion and over 622 million people. This encourage regional economic integration come from the need for ASEAN countries to remain competitive and remain economically viable. The ASEAN Economic Community initiative provides great opportunities and difficult challenges to the Malaysian SME community. Okay, moving on. ASEAN Economic Community and Malaysian SME. The main organization in Malaysia, the Ministry of International Trade and Industry, or the short form MITI, driving the economic development of ASEAN in the country, Malaysia. There is also a variety government financial initiative and working group established to prepare local industry for the development of the AEC. SME is the core element of the AEC under the fair pillar economic development. There are different definitions of SMEs in another country. Okay. In Malaysia, SMEs are producer with preparation with sales revenue not exceeding RM 50 million or employees not exceeding 200, like SME Corp Malaysia 2013. In 2011 SME census, 57% of total manufacturing companies are micro firm with a turnover of less than RM 300,000 or with less than 5 full-time employees. 36.8% are categorized as small in size with a turnover of RM 300,000 to 15,000 or with 5 to 75 full-time employees. Only 6.1% of these establishments are medium-sized with revenue of RM 15 to 200 million or with 75 to 200 full-time employees. Okay. Okay. The result of this study is that various preparation need to be made by SMEs in Malaysia to face the challenge of opening the Malaysian market to foreign market, especially among ASEAN members in terms of capital development, company information system expansion, and business network. Okay, if I a manager of company or a prime minister of a country, explain how you will benefit from this paper. uh, let's say if I am a manager of an SME company in Malaysia, the benefit I can get from the result of this study are: number one, I can develop the supply chain aspect that allows the uh, industry to obtain raw material resources more efficiently and competitively. The evolution of intra-ASEAN import tariff, the simplification of cross-border trade processes, including custom procedure, and the coordination of technical regulations and the mutual recognition of regulations, all provide opportunities for my company to reduce input costs. And then physical improvement in transportation and other infrastructure network will facilitate cross-border transportation and contribute to the overall reduction in the cost of doing business, giving my company the opportunity to work with productive trading partners. Okay. Number three, increased distribution channel will give my company the opportunity to find new markets for existing products. I may be able to target new market segments that have not been previously accessible. Number four, Malaysia manufacturer like me with competitive advantage and financial strength can use MQ&A and acquisition as a quick way to become a regional competitor and gain other ASEAN markets. In addition, I will able to find new investment in ASEAN members countries to strengthen my company role in the regional and global value chains. Okay, it's open. Okay. Thank you for watching.